Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are looking at CMG. That's right, it's been 1 week since we were in the crypto mining game, and today we've got another competition winner to announce and we've got a payment proof, so keep watching. Okay, welcome to another video, and remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my crypto mining game. I just want to say a massive thank you. I've been receiving a lot of love from you out there recently. I've had numerous PMs and DMs just thanking me for the videos that I'm bringing to you, and I just wanted to say a big thank you back, because at the end of the day, if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos, then I wouldn't be here. So like I say, thank you very much. Okay, so the last time we were in here was about a week ago, and a few things have changed. Like I say, we've actually got another competition winner, which is brilliant. So remember, if you are in the competition, that now makes 5 winners, and there's only 15 prizes. So that means there's only 10 prizes left. So building your accounts, get up to that level 15. Also as well, just make sure you are following the rules. I keep getting people that are saying that they've hit the level 15 and are they eligible for the prize and all this stuff, and then sort of they're telling me they're not in my downline, or other things that obviously I put in the rules. So if you are interested in being in the competition, make sure you check out the video which is called Get Paid to Play. That explains the competition fully, how you can get your hands on that 50,000 Satoshis just by building your account up to level 15. But like I say, there are rules to getting that 50,000 Satoshis. So please, if you want to get involved, then make sure you check out that video, and I will put a link to the I'll put a link to the whole playlist for Cryptomininggame in the description, and obviously you can go and check out that video and other hints and tips videos that are in that playlist, which will help you build your account faster. And also, if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, and you can just click on that video and get watching. Okay, so like I say, it was a week ago since the last time we were in here. My mine level was still level 15, but I was at about 55%. So now you can see I'm at nearly 67%. So it's like about a 10% or just over nearly 20%, I guess, upgrade or update to my account. Also as well, in the last video we were looking at mining Dash, and the withdrawal minimum for Dash is 600,000. Before that, we had done Ethereum, which we did a withdrawal for 300,000 Ethereum, and which I will be showing you the payment proof for that later in the video. But as you can see here with the Dash, after 1 week we are over 50% to that 600,000 minimum level, and then obviously we can withdraw that once we hit that minimum. Okay, so what else has been going on? Sorry, brain fade there. So in the last video as well, the other thing we looked at was the workshop. So this was Cryptominingame's new update, and basically what it involved was that when you go into the world and you get all those sort of free spaces that have got nothing on it, now instead of find nothing in those spaces, you now find odd bits. So you might find pliers, you might find a screwdriver, you might find a USB thumb drive or whatever, and these are all the collectibles. And what you do is you can recycle them to gain elements. So you've got metal, glass, plastic, and obviously your crystals are your crystals. And then what you do with those is you then use these to upgrade your drones and your ships. So that means when you're doing the world missions, you can get about the world and completing your missions a lot faster. I've had a lot of positive feedback on this, which is really good to hear. I mean, I personally thought it was a great little update because it just meant that all that dead space is now sort of being utilized. And if you go to a square where there wouldn't normally be nothing, now at least you are finding something, and you can put that towards, like I say, increasing your drone speed, how much it can carry, so its storage space, and all those kind of things, which just improves your ability to do those world missions, which at the end of the day improves your game experience. And I just think that's a really good little update that CMG have brought to us. And like I say, I've had a lot of positive feedback about that, so you know, I'm glad you are enjoying that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with the reveal of the latest competition winner. Okay, so the most recent winner of the competition and claimed 50,000 Satoshis for reaching level 15 in Cryptomininggame is Craig from New Zealand. So massive congratulations to you. I know you've received your 50,000 sats and I hope you're very happy with them. But absolutely brilliant. You know, you put in the work and you got that prize. So, you know, thanks a lot for taking part. It's really great to have everybody taking part in the competition. And remember, you know, like I said, that is only 5 out of 15 prizes that have gone. So that means there is 10 prizes still available for you guys out there to claim. So get building those accounts and get winning. Okay, so let's move on. So the other thing that I actually set it up a while back, but I don't think I've even mentioned this in the last couple of videos. In fact, I'm absolutely positive. So basically what I did was I've actually set up a VMP, which is a virtual mining pool. For any of you out there that want to come and join, I've set the level. So you have to be at level 10 or higher to come and join the VMP. We don't. Then I think there's one person that's joined. I'm not even sure how they managed to find out about it. I think they may have just seen it. So that's what you're looking for. So Mookfish 2004 VMP. That is me. Come and join that. If you are level 10 or higher, then you can come in. We basically can pool all our victory points together, and if we appear in high enough up the list, then we will get some kind of a payout, which is then divided by everybody, which would be cool. It means that you guys just get some free coins. So like I say, yeah, come and join, and that's what you're looking for. Mookfish 2004 VMP. Okay, so final thing is the payment proof. So in the last video we did a withdrawal for 300,000 Ethereum, and so that was the minimum. And basically, if you just look over to the left hand side of the screen, you'll see that that is my wallet. So if we look down at the bottom of the screen, you can see this is the withdrawal that we made. So it showed 320,812 Ethereum. We did the withdrawal on the 15th of the 7th. And like I say, if you look at the screenshot on the left hand side, you'll see that it landed in my wallet on the 23rd of July 2020. Excuse me. And we ended up with 317,604 ETH after a 1% fee is deducted by Cryptomininggame for obviously completing that transaction. So the good news is that obviously Cryptomininggame CMG is working great. The program is functioning as it should be, and the most important thing, as always, and as I always stress about any of these programs, is that we are receiving payments to our wallet. And for anyone that is not overly familiar with Cryptomininggame, the playlist that I mentioned that I was going to put a link in the description to, and you could also see at the end of this video, check out the first one. That is going to give you the very minimum that you need to be doing in this program to start earning coins. Like I say, if you are new to this, make sure you check out that first video in the playlist. That will give you the quickest and easiest route to earning coins. And also remember, check out Get Paid to Play if you're interested in entering the competition. Remember, still 10 places, still 10 prizes available. So if you are interested in those early videos, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, it really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.